What's up, YouTube? Vengeful Sour here once again, and welcome back to another drinking video. This time it's going to be a Steel Reserve 211 or 211 or 211, however you'd like to pronounce it. Let's go ahead and get this bad boy started. I had already let the air out. Accidentally, I was playing with it on the way here, but nonetheless, still alcohol, and it's still gonna get me not drunk, but like tipsy. And it's gonna be fun because I'm gonna be playing Fallout 4 more of it. I'm still playing that game. Here it is, like a month and a week later. I'm probably like 100 and some odd hours into 150 hours or some shit. But it's still fun, just as fun as it's always been. So here we go. Man, do I love burping. It feels so good to just rip one out. Oh. Now, should we notice, this is room temperature, so it kind of tastes like shit. Bought this a few days ago with the intention of doing it, but did not quite have the opportunity. Mainly because I actually fell asleep. They got me working. Actually, I got myself working because I have the luxury of making my own schedule. I've been working like 13-hour days every day, 6 days a week. And so basically I get off work and I go straight to frickin' sleep. Well, I got off today, so it's a Monday and I have off, which is awesome and excellent. And using my opportunity to do a little drinking. Nose is already starting to run. Got a leak going on. I'm about to plug that hole. Probably about there. Just a little bit more to go. tastes like shit at the end of the can. Or the bottle. Or whatever vessel you're drinking from. Always tastes like shit at the bottom. Somebody post, because I'm too lazy to look it up, somebody post the scientific explanation for that. Please. Oh. Oh my god. Oh. That was terrible. But it's all good. It's all for the burps, right? Gotta get them burps out. But thanks for watching, and I will definitely see you on the next one, whatever that may be. But I hope you join me for the ride. So peace on the streets, homie.